In just 12 hours since launch, OpenAI's new ChatGPT agent has completely changed what we thought AI assistants could do. This isn't just another incremental update. It represents a fundamental shift in how artificial intelligence can interact with the digital world. The capabilities being demonstrated right now are saving users hours, even days of manual work by automating complex tasks end to end. What makes this different from previous versions? How does it actually work in practice? And most importantly, what can it really do for you? Let's break it down. It's not only about answering questions anymore, but getting things done. The key here is how it combines two major upgrades. First, there's the operator agent taking control of your browsing function, which lets it operate much like a human would. Need to compare flight prices? It'll open up travel sites, check dates, and pull the best options. Looking for a specific product under a certain budget? It can navigate e-commerce sites, apply filters, and compile a list. Unlike older versions where you had to manually feed it data, this one goes out and gets what it needs on its own. Then there's the deep research agent. This isn't just skimming a couple of articles. It digs through dozens, sometimes hundreds of sources to pull together detailed reports. Think financial analysis, market trends, or even travel itineraries with cost breakdowns. It doesn't just summarize, it cross-references, checks for reliability, and structures everything into usable formats like spreadsheets, slides, or documents. The real power comes when these two work together. Instead of just telling you where to book a hotel, it can research options, compare prices, check availability, and even guide you through the booking process. Giving information is old now. It's handling the task from start to finish. Okay, so how does this play out in real-world use? Let's look at a few scenarios where it's already making a difference. Take financial research, for example. Give it a prompt like, "Find me profitable small-cap stocks with strong growth and low debt," and it doesn't just spit out a generic list. It combs through earnings reports, market data, and analyst reviews, sometimes over 100 sources, to build a full analysis. The output isn't only raw data either. It organizes everything into clear tables, highlights risks, and even generates presentation-ready slides with charts and key takeaways. Then there's travel planning. Ask it to arrange a weekend trip for a group with specific needs, say, a mix of dietary restrictions and a tight budget. And it doesn't only suggest destinations. It checks flights, hotels, and activities, balances costs, and puts together a full itinerary with backup options. And it doesn't stop at ideas. It provides direct links so you can book right away. Recruitment is another area where it's proving useful. Need to fill a specialized role quickly? It can scan professional networks, filter candidates based on skills and location, and compile a shortlist with profiles and work samples. It's not making hiring decisions, but cutting out the hours of manual searching and initial screening. It goes beyond retrieving information. It's evaluating, organizing, and acting on it in ways that normally require human time and effort. Whether it's crunching numbers for an investment or piecing together a complex travel plan, the agent handles the legwork so you don't have to. Of course, it's not flawless yet. It works best with clear prompts and proper instructions, and there are still limits on how much it can do in one go. But the fact that it can even attempt these kinds of tasks, and often deliver usable results, shows how much AI assistance has evolved. It's taking over the tedious parts so you can focus on the bigger decisions. Getting started with ChatGPT Agent is straightforward once you know where to look. The first step is switching to Agent mode within the ChatGPT interface. This specialized mode unlocks the full range of automated capabilities that make this tool different from standard ChatGPT interactions. Once in Agent mode, you simply describe what you need done in natural language, just like you'd explain a task to a human assistant. For example, if you're from India, telling it to find men's clothing under 800 on Myntra triggers a sequence where the agent opens the e-commerce site, applies price filters, and returns direct links to matching products. The key is being specific with your requests. The more detailed your instructions, the better the results. Where this gets really powerful is with recurring tasks. The system can be set up to automatically handle regular jobs, like organizing your inbox every morning or tracking specific stocks every Friday. The interface shows real-time progress as the agent works through tasks. You'll see it opening browser tabs, scrolling through pages, and compiling information just like a person would, except much faster. For complex jobs like market research, it might take an hour or more as it combs through numerous sources, but you can walk away and come back to find the completed report waiting. Now, before you go handing over all your busy work to an AI, there are some important things to keep in mind. First up, privacy. This thing can log into websites as you, so you've got to be smart about what you let it access. Never give it passwords, credit card info, or anything else sensitive. It might be able to fill out forms, but that doesn't mean it should. Then there's the usage limits. If you're on the Plus plan, which is $20 per month, you get 40 agent tasks per month. Pro users, which is $200 per month, get 400 agents. That might sound like a lot, but complex jobs like digging through 136 sources for a stock report can eat through those fast. Regular ChatGPT chatting doesn't count. This is just for the automated agent tasks. And yeah, it's still in beta, so expect some quirks. Sometimes it goes way too deep, like analyzing the 136 websites when 20 would have been enough. Other times, it might get stuck on a step or misread what you wanted. Accuracy is another thing to watch. Even though it cross-checks multiple sources, it can still pick up outdated or just plain wrong info. If you're using it for something important, like financial decisions, always double-check the results. Performance also depends on the task. Simple stuff like price comparisons or data gathering works great. More subjective jobs like judging job candidates hit or miss. And some websites just don't play nice with automation. If a site has a weird login process or a messy layout, the agent might struggle. Bottom line, this is a powerful tool, but not a magic fix for everything. Use it for the right jobs, research, repetitive tasks, data crunching, and it'll save you tons of time. Let's talk about how it actually compares to others. When you see that ChatGPT Agent scored 41.6% on Human Evil, a test designed to measure practical problem-solving skills, it's easy to dismiss that as not even half. But here's the thing. That's already better than Elon Musk's latest Grok 4, and more importantly, the rate of improvement is what should make you sit up and take notice. Where this really starts to click is when you look at spreadsheet tasks. At 45.7% of human capability, we're not talking about an AI that just makes pretty charts. This is about a system that can actually dig into financial data, spot trends, and organize information in ways that would take junior analysts hours to complete. It's not replacing your entire accounting department, but it's certainly changing what busy work means. The investment banking benchmarks tell a similar story. The agent isn't just faster at crunching numbers. It's demonstrating an ability to understand context in financial models that previous systems struggled with. And here's what's really interesting. It's not just analyzing data, but deciding how to present it. We're moving beyond simple number crunching into actual decision support territory. Earlier AI tools were like really smart calculators, great at individual tasks, but needing constant direction. This agent shows glimpses of what happens when you combine research, analysis, and presentation into a single workflow. It's not perfect, but when you can hand off half of a professional task and trust the results, that changes how work gets done. The most telling part? These benchmarks have improved dramatically in just months. We're not looking at incremental gains here. We're seeing the kind of leaps that suggest we're still in the early stages of what's possible. The gap between AI assistant and AI coworker is getting narrower faster than most people realize. And that's the power of ChatGPT Agent. Research, planning, even hiring, all automated. Try it yourself and see what it can do for you. Got ideas for what we should test next? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, a like goes a long way. For more on AI tools, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.